Now let's look at using vibration motors. I've started out with a new Arduino document. I've included my Hummingbird library with a number sign, those two carets, hummingbird.h. I've declared my Hummingbird object by giving it a name, Tweety, and then I've initialized it by saying tweety.init, open close parentheses, semicolon. Here in Loop, if I just wanted to use the vibration motor and turn it on all the time, I would say tweety.setVibration. And then I'm going to put the vibration port number that it's in. It's plugged into vibration port number 1. It doesn't matter which lead goes in which. And then 255 is on. So this code would just turn the vibration motor on all the time. If I wanted to use it with a sensor like the distance sensor, I would make a new integer variable to read and store the current distance from the sensor. So I would say int, that's an integer, d, that's just a variable name for distance. And then I'm going to say tweety.read sensor value. And the sensor is plugged into the first sensor port. And then I'm going to say if d is greater than 100, so the larger this number is, the closer the object would have to be. If d is greater than 100, open a curly bracket, and I'm going to close a curly bracket down here. So if something gets close, turn the vibration on, and then I'm going to use else, which means for any other situation, and it automatically gave me a little closed curly bracket there. And then I'm going to say tweety.setVibration, again the port number, and 0 for turning it off. So if nothing is nearby, it will not be vibrating. If I want to use an LED in here, I don't need another set of conditional statements. I can use the LED functions right inside these same curly brackets. So I could use either a regular or set tricolor LED function in here to turn them on. I could use it to change the color if something moves far away. But you can just, as long as it goes between these two curly brackets, any functions in here all of them will happen if something gets close, and stop and change if that condition is no longer true. And again, down here, I also do like to include delay and 10 milliseconds, just so it's not checking constantly. It tends to be a smoother transition if it's only checking once every 10 milliseconds to see if this condition is true.